In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in broker account in TradingView 2025. By the end, you'll be able to place trades directly from your TradingView charts through your connected broker. Make sure you have an active TradingView account, a supported broker account, and a stable internet connection. I also recommend using a desktop browser for your first connection, as it makes the process clearer and avoids pop-up issues. Start by heading to your TradingView dashboard. Once you're signed in, open a chart so you're on the main charting interface. This is where the connection happens and where you'll manage orders. If you've got multiple layouts, any layout will do. Just make sure a chart is visible. Next, look for the trading panel. On desktop, it's at the bottom of the chart alongside tabs like Data Window and Strategy Tester. Click Trading Panel to expand it. You'll see options like paper trading plus a list of supported brokers. If the panel isn't visible, resize the bottom area of the chart until the tab bar appears. On mobile or tablet, the trading panel can be tucked behind a bottom sheet. Open that to view the same options. Now, select the broker you want to connect and use the Connect option under the Trusted Brokers section. You can scroll the list or use the search box to find your broker quickly. Click Connect, and TradingView will open a secure sign-in window from your broker. This is the official login page, so enter your credentials only there and use two-factor authentication if your broker supports it. You may be asked to grant TradingView permission to read balances and place orders on your behalf. Review and approve these to proceed. After authorization, TradingView will display your connection status in the trading panel. You should see your broker name and account details, often partially masked for security. If your broker provides multiple accounts, choose the one you want to use. Some brokers also let you switch between live and paper environments. Pick the correct one for your session. You'll notice the buy and sell buttons become active on your chart, and your account balance and positions may appear in the panel. To confirm everything is working, glance at the lower panel for your account info and connection status. If the connect button stays grayed out or a pop-up doesn't appear, allow pop-ups for TradingView in your browser, refresh the page, or update your app. If your broker isn't listed, it may not be supported in your region or may require a specific plan. For sign-in issues or two-factor problems, contact your broker's support. That's it. You're connected. Trade carefully, double-check order settings before placing live trades, and disconnect from the trading panel when you're done.